Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Trendline Forex here, and this is yet another video update on the results that we get trading using the Volatility Expert Advisor. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, make sure to check out the links in the description down below. It is going to take you to a landing page where you can find out more about this too and how it can actually improve your trading. Now, if you haven't seen our channel before, this is what we do every single month. We give you an update on three live accounts that we have with the purpose of showing you how the volatility trading expert advisor can bring you consistent profits in the market. So we've got a live account on euro dollar, on pound dollar, and on gold, and I give you monthly updates on how those accounts, what is the progress on these accounts and what kind of profits we managed to make in the span of a full month. So we're going to be talking about July. So I'm going to show you the results for July on each one of those accounts, and you have to understand that this is almost completely automated. So you've got to have your own analysis, but once you have that, you can then set up the expert advisor to start trading based on your trading ideas. So it's kind of semi-automated, but when it comes to executing trades, this is fully automated. So you just attach the expert advisor on a VPS, and this not only saves you time, but it also improves your win rate. If you want to find out more, like I said, either check out the landing page or go over to our website, trendlineforex.com. And we actually have done a full, completely free course on how to use the expert advisor and how you can actually use it according to your personal strategy. So anyways, starting off with euro dollar, this is the first account that we're going to check out. Now first I want to say that during July we had pullbacks on all of the instruments that we're going to check out in today's video. If you look at the monthly time frame right here, here is last month monthly candle, and you can see that we had a pretty deep retracement right here. Now because I'm expecting that euro dollar long term will continue rising, it will keep that bullish trend. That means we only set up the expert advisor to enter long positions. And even though we had a big, massive monthly candle over the tracement, we still managed to make profit, even though we were going long in this bearish price action. Okay, again, if you're wondering how this works, check out the full course. Everything is explained in detail in that course. So, anyways, what I'm expecting to see next for euro dollar is obviously a continuation even further up. Before that, we may have some, short-term pullbacks, which for those of you trading manually will probably provide better entry levels. But overall, I will be expecting for price to actually keep pushing up, eventually breaking above the current resistance right up here. Even though we're now trading around 1.17, I'm going to be expecting, levels such as 1.19, 1.20, and eventually even higher, of course, depending on how price action develops and how much momentum it gains on the way up. But anyways, like I said, we're going to check out the results for July. So I'm going to open up this um, account right here, so you can see everything is on euro dollar. We're only taking buy positions, okay, and this is for the full month of July. Now for the euro dollar, this month we actually have 6.6% profit, and that is a result of 4,833 trades. Okay, so obviously I can't go through each one of them. We've got thousands of trades right here, but the idea is that we're not increasing the volume size, as you can see, and you can also see that in the previous videos from the last couple of months we keep trading using the same volume, 0.01. So we're not increasing the volume size as the account is increasing. Instead of that, we keep trading the same volume, which automatically in in fact decrease the risk on this account. So we managed to make around 827 euros of profit. Like I said, this is on the current account balance. This is around 6.7% profit in a matter of a month. But you've got to understand that this is, you do your analysis, like I said, and then you switch on the expert advisor. You enter the parameters so the expert advisor knows what to do, knows how to enter trades, and then you just let it run. Okay, so this account is on a VPS platform, and we ain't gonna do nothing. We just set it up and then we let it run. Okay, it runs all the time. Sometimes you will have to adjust the parameters, but rarely. Most of the time, you will let it run, and then based on your analysis, your trading ideas, the levels that you're looking at, the expert advisor will start loading up multiple trades in the direction that you want it to go. And even though we were trading, like I said, taking long trades in a bearish market, we still managed to make nearly 7% on this account alone. You can see we currently have some open positions, and also you can see the history right here, how many of those trades we have. Plenty of them. Like I said, nearly 5,000 trades on this account. So let's move on and check out pound dollar next. Exactly the same thing. In fact, we had an even deeper pullback here on pound dollar. You can see the monthly candle. We're talking about a candle of around 400. Oops, no, this is the current uh this month's candle. Here is last month. We've got a 600 pips of a bearish move, and even though we had that, we were entering long trades because the overall idea is that price will eventually keep pushing up, and you can already see that we are now recovering after this pullback, and the expert advisor is actually running with the same parameters right here on all of the accounts that I'm showing you. So we're already making sure that we're taking profit on some of those long positions open during this bearish candle. Now on the recovery, the expert advisor is actually trading in the opposite direction, and collecting profits on each one of those entries. So, anyways, again, bearish price action during the month of July. But if we check out the trading platform, you can see we managed to make some profit here as well. Okay, let me just pull that all the way up here. So this is all for the month of July. As you can see, here is the starting date. Um, all long positions taken on pound dollar alone, and we managed to get 856 euros of profit, which for the account on pound dollar is actually 7% profit. And that is again a result of 4,695 trades, which you can all see right here in the history tab. Um, exactly the same thing. We're following the same idea. The expert advisor has been running. Let me just switch on the trade history so you can see that better. You can see where we managed to enter and exit those trades. As long as price is giving us volatility, making highs and lows, especially if it's trading sideways, this is even better. But every time we have a pullback, we manage to open multiple long positions. And as soon as that pullback ends and then price starts recovering, we're collecting profits on each one of those trades. And this is how the expert advisor manages to make profit. And probably a lot of you are going to be asking, okay, but what if the market doesn't reverse? Well, this is why I said you've got to have your own analysis. And if you're still struggling to do that, don't forget that we've got a premium Telegram channel where we share each one of our trading ideas. We give you daily video updates on the setups that we're trading, meaning that you will know in what direction to enter positions, whether you trade manually or automatically. All that information is in our premium Telegram channel. But again, amazing results, 7% for a full month here on pound dollar. Again, thousands of trades, and we still have some open trades, as you can see, but the analysis suggests that price will eventually keep pushing up. And finally, we're going to check out gold as well. Price has been trading sideways for quite some time. And what did I say just now? I did say that whenever we have a ranging market, this is an even better environment for the expert advisor to generate profit. And we've had this consolidation here for some time, and I'm expecting that soon we should see that breakout to the upside, because when you look at the daily, the weekly time frame, you can see this consolidation very clearly. And then when you drop down to the 4 hour chart, let's say, you can see that price is now kind of closing itself within this pattern right here, making lower highs, but at the same time printing higher lows as well. So this kind of triangle pattern formation right here is one of my favorites because it suggests that pretty soon we may see a strong momentum breakout. And if that happens, again, this is going to be great because we currently have some positions open all the way up here. But let's check out the account on gold as well. So right here is the history tab. Let me just switch over to gold. Um, have a look at the trade history. I'm gonna go up to the daily or the 4 hour time frame. Actually, you can see that a little bit better. You can see how many trades we've had. In fact, here on gold, so this is, you can see all the positions throughout the month of July. Everything is on gold alone, only long positions again. You can see that even when the market is bearish or just trading sideways, we're still only taking buy positions, and we still managed to generate profits. So 4.3k profit here on the account on gold. This is around 6.7% again. So all of those accounts are hovering around the 7% mark profit for the month of July, and we've got around 3,000 trades here on this account. So you can see the difference right here from 5.5k down to 4.3k. This is due to swap, and we had quite a big swap this month here on gold, due to open positions. However, as you can see, the analysis is playing out very well. As soon as we get that breakout right here, this is going to be looking very good for the results on this account. Now, again, if this is your first time stumbling upon this channel or these types of videos where I'm sharing with you the results from the Volatility Expert Advisor, and you're not aware what this tool does and how it works and how you can apply it in your trading, make sure to check out our website, trendlineforex.com. You can then click up here on the volatility trading button, and you can go through all that information right here, where you can find out more about how this tool works, how it's going to save you time, and how it can improve your trading results, improve your win rate of your strategy. Again, we have a full course on that. You can go over to courses, advanced, and then click on the volatility trading system right here. Click on see more, and then you will get access. As soon as you sign up on our website completely for free, you get access to all of the videos right here, where you can find out more about the Volatility Expert Advisor. If you guys want to join the premium Telegram channel, make sure to send us a message, or again, you can do that via our website, trendlineforex.com. But if you're not yet sure whether this is going to help you, then just check out the free Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the description below this video. In the free Telegram channel, we also share daily updates on euro dollar. So if this is a pair that you usually trade, then even the free Telegram channel is going to provide a lot of value for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to drop comments below this video, and let us know what do you think about those results, and is there something that could potentially turn around your trading. I'll see you guys in the next one.